Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Plannora Display, a smart family calendar display you've probably seen all over TikTok Shop claiming to end scheduling chaos. With similar products like Skylight Calendar costing $300 or more, is Plannora the budget alternative or just another dropshipping scam? Let's investigate. So Plannora markets itself as a family organization display that keeps everyone's schedules, chores, and events in one centralized location. The website shows testimonials like soccer practices, school events, work meetings. It was chaos before. Plannora Display keeps everything in one place. No more confusion. They also claim our kids can see their chores and schedules every morning. It's been amazing watching them take ownership instead of wanting to be told. Here's the critical issue. We couldn't find any independent reviews of Plannora Display on Trustpilot, Reddit, YouTube, or legitimate tech review sites. For a product supposedly solving family chaos, the complete absence of verified customer feedback is extremely suspicious. The website shows a 65% Black Friday sale, a classic urgency tactic used by dropshipping sites to pressure impulsive purchases. Legitimate products don't need constant fake sales to move inventory. Let's talk about what legitimate smart displays offer. Skylight Calendar, the established leader in this category, provides touchscreen interface with easy calendar management, app syncing with Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and more, photo display capabilities when not showing schedules, magic import to automatically add events, meal planning features, responsive customer service, and regular software updates. These features come at $230 to $300 depending on the model, with optional plus subscription or advanced features. What you're likely getting with Plannora. Based on the dropshipping pattern, Plannora is probably a generic Chinese-made digital display available on AliExpress for $30 to $50. Basic calendar software with limited functionality, no app integration or poor connectivity, zero customer support once you receive it, and marked up 200-400% with fancy branding. The photos on their website likely show idealized mock-ups or stolen images from legitimate smart display brands, not the actual product you'll be receiving. Questions Plannora doesn't answer. What's the screen size and resolution? What operating system does it run? Does it integrate with existing calendar apps? What's the warranty and return policy? Who actually manufactures the device? Is there a mobile app for remote management? What's the company physical address and support contact? Legitimate smart display companies transparently answer all these questions. Plannora website is vague and focused on emotional marketing rather than technical specifications. The final verdict: approach Plannora Display with extreme caution. The complete absence of independent reviews combined with dropshipping red flags suggests this is not a legitimate alternative to established smart displays. For a reliable family organization, invest in proven options like Skylight Calendar or Amazon Echo Show 15 with transparent specs, real support, and thousands of verified reviews. Don't waste money on unproven products with zero accountability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.